A deep blue polished micro brick held between fingertips, textures in soft natural light. Placed on stone-textured base, marking ambitious build. Layer by layer, walls of miniature mansion take shape, each tiny ceramic brick added precisely. Carved micropillars snap in place. Blue-framed windows pressed into openings, golden arches above. The second floor rises with carved beams and glass windows, adding luxury. Glimpses inside reveal patterned floors, tiny rugs, warm lights on wooden spiral staircase. Ornaments enhance opulent interior. The roof forms with blue ceramic tiles over curved wooden beams. Central golden dome raised, a crowning jewel. Lanterns flicker around edges, casting warm glow as structure completes, hinting at grandeur. Mini courtyard with patterned tiles, micro palm trees, stone pots. Blue resin fountain adds serenity to landscape. Under night sky, ultra-premium royal villa stands complete, miniature marvel of luxury glowing under warm lantern light.